Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm talking about something that we all need, and that is deodorant. The Schmidt's natural deodorant, though, is a game changer. I think it's amazing because it is made with natural plant-based ingredients, yet it still works. I've tried the other smells and fragrances of Schmidt's deodorant, but I thought I would try the fragrance-free version just to see if I noticed a difference. There's a lot of workplaces like the hospital that are fragrance-free environments, so I think this would be a really great option for people like that, or someone that would have a scent sensitivity. This is a really great deodorant. Let me show you exactly what it looks like. So because this deodorant is made of natural oils like coconut oil, you definitely have to hold it against your skin for a couple seconds under your armpit just to warm up a little bit. And you need 1 to 2 strokes under your armpits. Here I'll show you that it doesn't leave any white residue, which is really nice. And it looks very moisturizing. So at the same time of getting odor protection, you're actually moisturizing your skin. So I really hope you like this deodorant. I know that as well as me, you probably don't want to be putting any harmful or toxic chemicals into your body. So I love the fact that this deodorant is natural, but at the same time it works. So go ahead and give it a try. I know you'll love it, and that's my point of view.